Presenting the 2003 GMC. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger airbag on-off switch, power steering, split bench seat, climate control, engine immobilizer, ABS, and tow hooks. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.